Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP LaserJet Pro M404n series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro M404n support. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro M404n. Go ahead and open that up. And then going underneath the support categories, select software and drivers. And then you want to select the HP LaserJet Pro M404 item in here. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Let it extract. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and select yes to allow it. Should be a verified publisher as well. And then you just want to follow along the on-screen directions here of getting your printer configured properly to your device. Just follow along with the steps. If you want to install optional software, you can. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.